like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And today I'm here with my ice cream box. Now, I don't know if they're going to this or not. It's pretty, isn't it? Isn't that pretty? Yeah. I don't know if they're going to this bigger bag or if it's just because of this month. I have no idea. But it usually is in a bag or in a box. So I don't know if they're going to this mail or not. Now, I know when I used to get the bag, they always shipped it out in mailers, and I never had anything come broke or anything. So, you know, I'm not worried about that. And if you're not familiar with Eyescream is a makeup-heavy beauty subscription box. Now, if you get the bag like this, well, the box is $25 delivered, and that includes shipping. And with that, you're guaranteed, I believe it's 5 to 7 items. And one will be a pallet. Now, they also have a bag. And with that one, you get 3 to 5. And I believe I think it's $14.50 and then $1 something handling now. I believe. It used to be $12.50 and then handling. So I don't, but it's right around $15. So anyway, and I'll leave the links down below, and I'll itemize the stuff and put all the information down below like I usually do. But this is my favorite makeup subscription. I would probably continue this one even if I didn't have a channel. I'm thinking about bringing the bag back too, because I'll be honest with you, the last couple bags have been really good. I haven't seen this month's yet, but the last couple bags have been really good. December and November were both really, really good. So, anyhow, I'm just going to put them out here on the table so it's easier for me, because my back's bothering me. And it says right here, unfortunately, there were too many products to fit in our standard subscription boxes. Rather than take items out or change, we opted to ship in this month in a temporary mailer bags. We are sorry for the inconvenience. Our normal packaging will return in February. Well, that explained it. And every time you get a card and it tells you how much the items are. And yes, I have 2 nails on, and then I went flying everywhere, and I said, you know what, I am going to just go ahead and record. Now, and there is quite a bit in this box right here, I will say that. So, let me put this where I don't lose it, because I've got stuff. Okay, I swear I got it right this time. Okay, there are several things in this box. I'm counting way more than 5 items. So, I'm going to start. I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I'm going to start with my glasses, because I can't read it. And it is CZ. And it's a mascara. I believe it's just black mascara. So we're just going to, I think it's just black mascara. So we're just going to do that. Go on to the next thing. And we got that mascara. Let's see where, I'm a mess today. Is $24. It's called the Wand Mascara. Okay, and then this is, okay, here's your lip gloss. This is Illuminati Push Lip Gloss. And it looks like that. Pretty color. And it's just just like a shifting gloss over. It doesn't really have any color. Now that's what that is. But it's by Illuminati. A lot of people hate that name, but I don't feel one way or the other about it, quite honestly. I just want to know how it's going to feel on my lips. And it's actually very smooth. It's very smooth, and Illuminati usually does have good products. No matter how you feel about their name or whatever, they usually do have good products. And it's very smooth, and it's just got a very slight tint, but it's got, you know, it's eye-catching is what it is, more than anything. So, and that was $20. Yeah, $20, I believe. They wrote with a smaller font to get everything on it, because there's quite a bit here. Let's see what the next one is. This is Ultra Cream Lipstick by Appeal Cosmetics, and it's a $21 value. And it looks like this. Isn't that pretty? That's one of those ones that you pull out in the middle of a restaurant, just like your highfalutin. I don't know if I can get it open. They shrink wrap the plastic on the outside of them, but they don't leave you anything to pull to get a hold of it. Come on. Okay, here's what it looks like outside of the plastic. This is the color. And it's just a little nude. Might as well just pile shit on. Why not? Why not? Sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. It doesn't feel like it's got a good seal there, but I guess it does. I don't know if I told you what that value was. That was $22. And then we have Belle Beauty makeup brushes, and there's 3 of them, and they're $15. Now I don't know if that's a piece or if it's together, but it's Beili makeup. That's how it's spelled. And you get 3 brushes. Here's this one. Very soft. Very soft. I was going to see if they had numbers on them or anything. Nope. Sometimes they do that. And so there's that one. There's that one. That's more of a blending shading. And then you have this one. Well, that whole thing fell out. This is more for your eyes, smudging, things like that. And then you have this one. And this is an all-over face brush. Very soft. There's no fallout in the bristles. And this one's kind of weighty. The rest of them are, you know, that's the 3 you end up getting, which are not the normal 3 eyeshadow, you know, what they usually give you is 3 eyeshadow brushes and say, hey, congratulations, you have more eyebrow brush. You know, that's what they usually do. So I'm kind of glad to get these different brushes. You know, I mean, they're nice brushes. They're very soft. So yeah, I do like them, and I like the variety in them too. Just so many times they don't bother. Then the next thing I have is, Lord knows, see if I can read it on here. And this is sealed. It's got bubble wrap sealed around it. Okay, and this is Appeal Beauty. Let's see what it is. And this is valued at $22. It's Sculpt Artistry Face Palette. Oops. Oops. Oh, that's pretty. It's not what I expected. Let's see, I can show you like this. It's not what I expected. Those colors are not what I expected. And they're like creams. And that's not what I expected. See, there's two of the pinkier ones. And there's like a... But yeah, that's nice. And it's a pretty palette too. And then lastly, so I said this one is loaded. Lastly, we got Beauty Moon Cosmetics X Eyescream Beauty. In other words, Beauty Moon Cosmetics worked with Eyescream Beauty for Boudica Warrior Princess. Gotta love Boudica. She was fierce. And it has a value of, I think, $33. We don't have to put up with this much longer because my eye appointment is 2 weeks, I think. 2-3 weeks. About time, huh? These are really pretty. It has a top mirror. So I'm going to fold that back. But look how pretty. Now these two make great bases for the other ones. So I'm going to try something here. And then we'll do this. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with, say, this gold right here. And go over top of it. Now see the difference? And then I'll do it over the white. And it just kind of... But you can make all kinds of contrasting shades that way. It's really pretty. Look at my fingers, just where I've mixed them together on my fingers. Isn't that pretty? Really, really pretty. And so I said I would get this. And they do have a lot of indie brands. But they are getting more and more higher brands all the time. I've noticed that. It used to be 100% indie beauty brands. And now it's, you know, like see, this is what you got this time. They guarantee you 5 to 7 items. Well, I would count these individually because they did come individually wrapped. They weren't in a set. You know, so there's 3 items actually, but they counted them as one. When a lot of other boxes would have definitely counted them as 3, where they counted them as 1. Then you have your Illuminati lip gloss. Then you have your mascara, which this is CZ, and I believe that's one of their brands, but I'm not sure. Then you have your lipstick. I don't remember who that was by. Then you have your face palette and your eyeshadow palette. So you basically have a complete face right here. Other than eyeliner, and you could use this for eyeliner. So that's what I'm saying. You can't beat the price for $25. Because most places, this would have been $25 and you would have got all this for free. That's why I would have it anyway. So anyway, that is my Eyescream Beauty box. come on back, join us, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time. Bye.